Having trouble finding a high-end restaurant? We're introducing a fast and easy way of ordering in a restaurant. Tap and eat. You can be a member or a walk-in guest. It will redirect you to home. We have the rotate for a screen and menu button for display of the menu selections. You can view orders per category and add it to the cart. You can also view the 3D model. You can see here the image of the product and the product details. If you are decided, you can add a quantity of your product choice and place your order. Once you place your order, you will automatically redirect to menu. While waiting for your order, you can play the games that we installed. If you want to say something to the waiter, just click the Ask Support and type what you wanted to say and it will directly send to the waiter. There is a two-way to settle your bill. If you are a member, just pay using your card, and for a guest, ask for the assistance of the waiter. If you are a member, you can tap your card for payment. You can also add the load of your card once your balance is insufficient. Once you successfully paid, your account will automatically log out. For a walk-in guest, it will be a manual payment. Tap and eat.